Hello everyone, today we are going to see about rearing appliances in apiculture. Appliances of apiaries. The equipments used in beekeeping are called rearing appliances. The appliances are classified based on its usage in beekeeping. Appliances used for maintaining the colony. They are comb foundation sheet, queen gate, drawn excluder, bee escape board, swarm trap, pollen trap, embedder. Comb foundation sheet. Comb foundation sheet is a sheet of artificial comb cells on which honey bees build combs. It is made of beeswax with a pattern of hexagons identical to natural comb. The size of hexagon varies with bee species. It is cut in proper size and attached to comb frames by means of thin wires. Dummy division board. Dummy division board is a wooden board placed between comb frames. It is placed inside the brood chamber. It can be used as a movable wall, thereby limiting the volume of brood chamber. It prevents the bees from going from one comb frame to another. Next, queen excluder sheet. Queen excluder is a plank used to keep the queen inside the brood chamber and to prevent it entering the brood chamber, super chamber. It is a perforated zinc sheet mounted on a wooden frame. The size of the mesh is 3.5 mm. It can allow the workers to pass through but prevents the queen. Queen gate. It is a metal piece fitted at the entrance of the hive. It is used to prevent the escape of the queen during hiving, transferring and swarming. It consists of a slit-like opening of 4 mm size. Queen bee cannot pass through since their abdomen is large. Worker bees can easily pass through this opening with the narrow abdomen. Drawn excluder. Drawn excluder is a rectangular box used to trap excess drones. It is open on the top. At the bottom of the box, there is a space for the movement of bees. There are two hollow cones at the bottom wall of the box. Drones are trapped by this equipment. Bee escape board. An escape board is a device that facilitates bees going through easily in one direction but not the other. The round hole faces up and the screen triangle face down. The board is kept above the brood chamber and below the super chamber, which we want to empty during the harvest period. Swarm trap. The box to attract the swarming bees called bait hive or swarm trap. It is a watertight wooden or plywood box with a volume of 40 to 70 liters and a 2 square inch entrance towards the bottom of one wall. It is fixed near the hive entrance with 1 or 2 comb frames during the swarming period. Next is pollen trap. Pollen trap is a device that fits over the hive entrance and forces the returning foragers to crawl through small openings so that the openings are too small that some of pollen pellets are stripped away from the bees' legs and falls into a collection tray. Embedder. It is a small tool with a spur or round wheel at its top. It is used to fix the comb foundation sheet on the wires of the frame. Appliances used for honey extraction. Smoker. Smoker is a smoke producing equipment to drive away the bees to remove the comb frames from the hive for honey extraction. Smoker consists of a fire pot, a funnel, a tube and a bellows of leather. The fire pot is made up of stainless steel or tin. Coconut fibers and other chemicals are added as firing material. Appliances used for honey extraction. Next one is bee brush. Bee brush is a camel hair with soft bristles. Camel hair brush. It is made up of camel hair and is used to brush the bees off the honeycomb before it is taken for extraction. Hive tool. Beekeepers use this hive tool to separate brood boxes, supers and frames that were stuck together with propolis. Uncapping knife. Uncapping knife is a steel blade with a double-edged blade. It is used to remove the cap of the honey stored cells before honey extraction. Honey extractor. A honey extractor is a mechanical device used to separate honey from the combs. Honey extractor consists of a drum, wire gas cage and a set of gear wheels and a motor. The bottom of the drum functions as a reservoir for the honey. It can be rotated by a set of gear wheels. Appliances used for protection. Bee veil. Bee veil is a protective covering made of silk, screen wire or mosquito net. It is put on the head while handling the bees. It is a transparent in front of the eyes and allows vision and protect the head from stinging of the bees. Gloves. Most beekeepers wear gloves that provide protection from the sticky stuff that is hard to remove, like propolis, and protection from the stinging of bees into your delicate hands. Thank you.